afternoon, respected parents and my dear friends. We are Team Eagle from 9th grade. So today we are saying about artificial intelligence and AI intelligence created by human beings. AI is everywhere around us, in our phones, in cars, hospitals and even in our classrooms. Children are using AI to complete their homeworks and project works and etc. Through our project we are going to explain advantages and disadvantages because the future does not belong to machines, it belongs to human beings. Protect our earth. Thank you.
Excuse me. Let's check with the satellite.
No, ma'am, we are getting a misconnection.
But where are our signals going?
There's a thermal atmosphere over there.
Something has entered and it's not ours.
They have come.
They are getting from their signals. What kind of signals are there? And what creators are these? And what this laptop? Oh. Hey, what are they using? They are using a sound different. Hey, they see. Hey, they are using their brain for AI. Different machines to reach in front of our brain. We are the best. Yeah.
So, why do you think that AI and aliens are meeting up? So, there are a few similarities in between of AI and aliens. Similarities are individual decision making. The aliens and AI won't take the decisions of human beings. They take on their own and non-human logic. And they are non-transitive. And while programming a software, they won't get any challenges while decoding. And they'll work beyond our biological resistance. They'll live without any biological things like water or oxygen. To know more about AI, let's look after the history of AI.
In the year 1950, a scientist named Alan Turing proposed a machine intelligence, and in the year 1956, exactly 6 years later, a scientist named John McCarthy coins the term AI, and in the year 1966, Elsa, the first chatbot, was created, and in the 2010s, AI is introduced to people and people starts using AI, and in the year 2020, like present, we are very familiar to AIs like ChatGPT and Gemini AI, and everyone starts using it. So a coin has two sides, advantages and disadvantages. Now let's look upon to them.
So, the advantages of AI are the AI will work faster and smarter than us, and they help in the healthcare to the doctors while treating a patient, and improves the education facilities, and students can take help while they are doing the projects or homeworks, reduces the human errors in the machines. While decoding software development, we can reduce the including of the bugs, and the AI will make our lives easier by simplifying our lifestyle like everything. So now we are discussing about advantages. What about disadvantages? So let's look after that.
Disadvantages of AI. AI reduces critical thinking and creativity of humans. Job loss because machines can do easier. Privacy risks which may threat our personals. Over dependence on AI for small decisions like homework, project works, etc. Lack of human emotion because AI has no feelings or moral values. So please avoid AI for small works.
In order to overcome the disadvantages, now let us look upon the preventions. Think first, AI next, try till you get. If we see homework, the first thing which comes to our mind is Google. So, instead of using Google to do our homework, let us put our brain and think and then solve our homework. Encourage human skills, not AI. As AI is replacing our jobs, let's not do that and give jobs to jobless people. Spend time with family, not gadgets. As we all know, we are spending more time with gadgets. So rather than that, we'll give our family some importance and let's spend time with them. So now let us look upon the real life incidents.
The secret chain gravity hole was observed under the Indian Ocean. This was occurred due to the placement of the UFO. A mysterious UFO was entered our Earth through the Columbia. And you know it responded to our Sanskrit Vedas. A massive 3000 wide UFO was passing through the Earth and it got captured by our cameras. Do you know, in our universe, our galaxies and stars was in the form of the Ramarukam, and the sounds which were observed in the atmosphere are the same and similar to the sounds of the Ramarukam. And this was formed by the reaction of the few stars and the gases, and this was encrypted in the Vedas even before our AI. And this is the reaction formed by the stars and isotopes. And if you observe it carefully, this is the shape of the Vishnu Chakra. Now, we have to got to know that everything is in our hands. We are the people who should handle the AI. But in the places, in the future, we are going to handle it by the AI. So we have to think and use our brain rather than going to the AI. So we are thinking to simplify our things, but in that deep, we are going to the hands of AI. So be prevented by AI. Thank you.
Thank you for your cooperation.
గ్రూప్ అంతా కదా ఉండండి. మీ థీమ్ పేరేంటి?